Imagine a world where your smart home actually feels smart. For over a decade, we have lived with smart speakers that feel incredibly slow, totally disconnected, and frustratingly outdated. You ask them to turn on a single light and you wait. You ask a simple question and they tell you they are still working on it. It is a highly annoying experience that has plagued early tech adopters for years. But a massive change is coming straight from the top tech labs, and it is going to change your domestic life forever. According to a relentless flood of authenticated patent filings, verifiable manufacturing leaks, and shifting software code hidden deep within the upcoming ecosystem updates, a major tech giant is preparing to launch a heavily rumored next-generation compact smart speaker. This upcoming device is not just a minor acoustic upgrade. It is not just a standard refresh to keep up with the competition. It is being designed from the absolute ground up to serve as the ultimate, uncompromising digital brain for your entire home. If you are currently suffering from a sluggish smart home setup, or if you have an older generation speaker sitting in your digital shopping cart right now, you need to freeze exactly what you are doing. Do not buy anything yet. You need to pay incredibly close attention to what is coming next. Grab your favorite beverage, make yourself exceptionally comfortable, and let us embark on an expansive, deeply engaging journey into the undisputed future of home automation. To truly comprehend the monumental disruption this new compact smart speaker is preparing to unleash upon the global market, we must first look at the core design philosophy. The developers execute a highly restrained industrial design process. They completely understand a fundamental truth about smart speakers. A smart speaker is essentially a piece of modern domestic furniture. It is not just a piece of technology, it lives in your personal space. Because of this, it must blend seamlessly into a minimalist home office, an elegant living room, or a cozy bedside table. It cannot look like a piece of aggressive server hardware, and it should not scream for attention with ugly plastic lines or massive blinking lights. Because of this design philosophy, the iconic, beautifully woven acoustic mesh spherical silhouette is heavily rumored to remain entirely unchanged. The designers know they nailed the form factor the first time around. The small, friendly sphere is the perfect shape for a modern home. However, the true luxury and meaningful aesthetic upgrades lie in the microscopic, highly calculated material refinements. The outside might look very similar at a quick glance, but the materials tell a completely different story of premium engineering. While the classic dark gray and pristine white colorways will undoubtedly remain the foundational pillars of the product lineup, highly credible supply chain leaks indicate something exciting. The industrial design team is currently experimenting with a breathtaking range of rich, deeply saturated new finishes. We are hearing exciting, highly verified whispers of a stunning deep crimson and a beautifully sophisticated midnight teal option. These new colors are designed to match modern interior design trends. This allows the speaker to either pop as a beautiful statement piece or blend seamlessly into high-end home decor. These are not merely superficial, last-minute paint jobs applied to the fabric. The custom-dyed acoustic fabric is being meticulously engineered from the absolute ground up. It must maintain perfect acoustic transparency. This ensures that not a single audio frequency is muffled or altered as it passes through the mesh. At the same time, the fabric is treated with a specialized coating. This coating is engineered to resist everyday household dust accumulation. It also prevents severe ultraviolet fading over years of direct sunlight exposure. You can leave the speaker on a bright window sill for years, and the deep crimson or midnight teal will look just as vibrant as the day you unboxed it. The most immediately noticeable physical transformation will undoubtedly occur on the top display panel of the device. The original model featured a slightly recessed plastic touch surface. On that older model, the classic voice assistant waveform illuminated somewhat faintly from the dead center of the plastic disc. It was functional, but it felt a bit limited, dark, and outdated. Rumors heavily suggest that the new version will feature a completely flush, edge-to-edge light-emitting diode array. This advanced array is positioned perfectly underneath a seamless piece of hardened, scratch-resistant glass. This is a massive upgrade in terms of build quality and premium feel. The cheap plastic is completely gone, and premium glass takes its place. This entirely new visual interface will likely be significantly brighter and vastly more dynamic than anything we have ever seen in the smart home space before. It does not just show a small glowing cloud in the center. Instead, it offers nuanced visual feedback and distinct, highly fluid animations tailored for specific artificial intelligence tasks. When you ask a highly complex question, the entire top surface might swirl with vibrant contextual colors. These colors indicate deep processing and let you know that the machine is actively understanding your request. It turns a simple indicator light into an expressive, beautiful display. Furthermore, advanced leaks suggest this expanded touch surface will offer significantly more precise capacitive volume controls. You will no longer have to tap blindly at tiny plus and minus signs in the dark. The entire surface becomes fully aware of your touch. Rumors even point to the ability to swipe through your active music queue with a simple, elegant flick of your finger across the glass. This completely eliminates the need to constantly rely on voice commands when the speaker is sitting conveniently within arm's reach on your desk or nightstand. You can skip tracks, pause music, and control your environment with natural gestures. But the absolute true magic of this upcoming speaker is hidden entirely beneath that beautiful exterior. To truly understand why this unreleased product is generating so much unprecedented hype across the tech industry, we have to look directly into its internal processing heart. The current, rapidly aging iteration of the speaker is powered by an older, wearable-grade chip. This is the exact same processor that initially debuted in smartwatches many years ago. While that older chip was certainly capable enough for handling basic kitchen timers, checking the weather, and managing simple music playback tasks, it has hit a hard ceiling. It simply lacks the raw neural engine horsepower required to run modern, highly complex machine learning algorithms locally on the device. It is a chip built for a watch from a previous era trying to run a modern smart home, and it just cannot keep up with the future. The absolute game changer for this upcoming iteration is the highly anticipated inclusion of a formidable next-generation flagship processor. This represents a complete, uncompromising brain transplant for the compact smart speaker. By incorporating flagship wearable silicon built on a highly advanced, vastly more energy-efficient fabrication process, the new speaker will possess a level of raw computational power that completely eclipses its predecessor in every conceivable metric. It jumps forward multiple generations in processing capability in a single leap. You might be logically asking yourself a very fair question. Why does a stationary smart speaker sitting quietly on a living room end table need a flagship processor operating on virtual steroids? It does not have a screen to render heavy graphics, and it does not move around on your wrist. The definitive, undeniable answer is local edge computing and the massive rollout of advanced, on-device intelligence. In the old smart home model, your speaker acted as a simple microphone and a speaker, and nothing more. When you spoke a command, the device captured your voice through the microphones and heavily encrypted that audio file. Next, it bounced that file via your wireless router to a remote cloud server located potentially hundreds of miles away. The cloud server had to process the audio, understand your words, decide what action to take, and bounce the action command all the way back to your house and into your smart light bulb. This long digital journey is the exact reason for the annoying delay. It is the reason your smart home feels sluggish. If your internet connection drops for a second, or if the cloud servers are busy, your smart home simply stops working. The new upgraded chip completely destroys this old, broken model. It allows the speaker to process an astonishing amount of natural language right there on the local hardware. This architectural shift translates to absolute, near-instantaneous response times. It means your smart home will finally feel truly responsive and alive. It completely eliminates that agonizing, multi-second pause where the assistant frustratingly says it is working on your request. This local processing protects your privacy because your voice recordings do not need to leave your house just to turn off a lamp. With the massive neural engine capabilities unlocked by the new silicon, the built-in assistant is being fundamentally reborn as a deeply capable, contextually aware entity. It will understand context, remember previous commands, and handle complex requests without breaking a sweat. A premium smart speaker is ultimately only as powerful as its inherent ability to communicate seamlessly with the surrounding technological ecosystem. It cannot live on an isolated island. It must talk to your phone, your lights, your locks, and your TV. Because of this, the internal networking architecture of this new speaker is receiving a massive, future-proof overhaul. We are heavily anticipating the integration of an entirely custom, in-house designed wireless networking chip. This represents a monumental shift away from relying on generic third-party wireless component manufacturers. By designing their own networking silicon, the engineers can control every single millisecond of data transmission. The integration of this proprietary chip will introduce the breathtaking speeds and bandwidth of Wi-Fi 7 alongside the incredibly robust connectivity of modern Bluetooth standards. This means the speaker can handle massive streams of data without ever dropping a connection or stuttering. For anyone utilizing modern industry-standard smart home protocols to run their home automation, this is a massive victory. The new speaker will serve as an impenetrable, self-healing border router for your entire house. Universal, open standard protocols are the true future of the smart home, allowing devices from completely different brands to talk to each other locally. With the new networking chip, your smart locks, automated window blinds, and security sensors will respond with absolute zero latency. They will connect directly to the main speaker. Your smart ecosystem will remain entirely unaffected by the heavy bandwidth traffic of high-definition video streaming or intense online gaming happening elsewhere in the house. Your lights will turn on instantly, even if someone is downloading a massive file in the next room. Furthermore, the integration of a second-generation ultra-wideband sensor chip will make the beloved audio handoff feature feel like actual, undeniable magic. We all love the ability to move music from a phone to a speaker, but older models could sometimes be finicky. You had to hold the phone at just the right angle, and sometimes it took a few seconds to connect. The new ultra-wideband sensor fixes this completely. When you walk through your front door while listening to an engaging podcast or an intense track on your smartphone, you do not have to fumble with menus. Simply bringing your phone near the glowing top panel of the speaker will transfer the audio stream with absolute pinpoint precision. This physical handoff is accompanied by an incredibly satisfying multi-stage haptic tap on your phone. It feels like the audio is physically pouring out of your phone and directly into the speaker. In my honest opinion, this upcoming next-generation compact speaker is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of smart home engineering. It completely solves the biggest pain points of modern automation, which are speed, privacy, and reliability. By moving away from slow cloud computing and adopting ultra-fast local processing with a flagship upgrade chip, the developers are setting a completely new standard for the industry. If you have been waiting to build or upgrade your smart home, this device is absolutely worth waiting for. It is not just another speaker. It is the definitive foundation for the future of domestic technology. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech revolutions. Let us know in the comments below if you will be buying this next generation smart speaker when it finally drops.